Yo, what's up guys? It's justjonmckin and we're back with another unboxing video. I should probably not be hitting the box like that because I paid a lot of money for this TV right here. But I am unboxing the Samsung Crystal Ultra HD 8 Series TV. It is from Best Buy. You've probably seen this. That's not safe. I should not be doing that. From Best Buy. Yeah, I got this TV for around about $600. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and unbox. So yeah, this is the 55-inch. I just want to show you guys what comes along with it as we unbox it. So I really love this TV because again, it is one of these smart TVs that is built in with Netflix and Disney Plus and YouTube. That's all I need personally. It has Apple TV, Hulu, and I'm pretty sure there's like other apps you can use on here. And not to mention, it is actually usable with Google, Alexa. You can AirPlay from it. That was a big one for me because sometimes I like to see my code on the TV. And then yeah, you can have Alexa on it as well. Really cool. A lot of cool stats up here, but I'm sure you could just read the box in Best Buy and you really cared about that. So let's unbox it. So I don't even know where to begin. Here. See this TV. I'm like taking the tape off the back. I'm not sure if I should lay it down. But yeah, the reason I got a new TV just to have like a little story dialogue. I broke my last one. It was an accident. I promise you all it was an accident. But this is a quick step guide. Great instructions in there. We're probably gonna need them. I should probably put this on the side. This is a big TV. I should have watched the TV unboxing before I did. It came with the two leggings right here. We got the batteries, cables, and remote, some more instructions. I think that's it. It's just a TV, honestly. So it will not slide on the road. I'm breaking into a sweat unboxing the TV. Push to the side. Golly, gotta use the strength of it. Eat it. Oh shoot. This is the hardest part right here. Golly. Yo, was it taped to the bottom? God, man. I should have watched the TV unboxing before I did this. Oh, good. Damn, that was the hardest boxing. That was it. Woo. Broke a sweat. Dang. Alright, we good. So, yeah, this is the actual TV itself. Man, look at that beautiful screen. So freaking. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yo, it looks beautiful. So I just like looking at like a plain black screen. I'm pretty sure like all TVs look like this. God, I'm sweat getting that out. God, there you go. It says do not peel. Got your ports back there. That's what it's looking like. We're just gonna put a photo up. This TV's heavy. You're not supposed to bend it. I'm sweating. Don't mind me. You're not supposed to bend it. You're supposed to just grab it. Take it out. Like that. Oh god, it's sticking again. That's what the stands look like. I mean, pretty typical stand. Here's the thing that was attached to it. I'm not too sure what this, I think I broke it. Is these, I'm not too sure what these are used for. In harmony. Samsung. So it kind of goes over some of the specs, some of the add-ons. And that thing I just showed you, just got user manual. I think this is the one you really don't read. Yeah, this is the one like people just throw away. The smart remote has a built-in microphone into it. I'll probably just hold up the microphone. Sorry, the smartphone. Oh my god, the smart remote. But this looks so close to a remote I've used before. So this is the power to the TV adapter. And here's our battery. And yeah, it is the back. I don't know, I've held this remote before. This one just feels cheaper. It's just a really cool remote. It has your Netflix button. It has your Prime Video button. Your Samsung TV Plus button. Really cool remote. Microphone, colors up there. What's the instruction? I can't find the manual. Oh, is this it? Yeah, this is it. Quick setup user guide. This is a very lightweight manual. I actually really love this. That is what it looks like, just in case you were just using my video to see how this instruction manual looked. That is what it looks like. You want to pause right there. So I should have read this because it actually shows that you need 2 people to get this out the box. So I just did a job for 2 people. No wonder my back is like that. And I'm not just talking. Just show this side just in case y'all really need this side in the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Cause oh shoot! So and I'm just gonna slide these pieces into here. This is the right. Okay. There we go. Put the left one in. Bring this TV up. Like that. Man, 55-inch. Let me get out the way. God. The power for this is actually has a small port. Let's go, new TV. Welcome to the family.
Hello and welcome. Please download the Smart Things app on your mobile to start TV setup. You may press the right button to set up the TV with the TV remote.
Alright, so
the accessibility function is available when you press and hold the volume button.
So it's actually very high tech, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm sounding like a Wii right now. But yeah, I'm gonna use the remote because I'm recording on my phone, probably will do that separate. Made it easy. You want to connect any devices to your TV will automatically set up any devices you connect to. Your TV will automatically set up any devices. I'll probably go the hard way, honestly. I will honestly just do it the hard way. So, oh shit, we gonna be right back. We're back. Just put my password. I'm loving this experience. I feel like I'm setting up like an Xbox or Wii right now. Like my other TV was definitely not this fun setting up. So experience, like I don't know, you feel like you just setting up like a game console or something right now. So I just connected it to my Wi-Fi. Terms and agreements, privacy policy. I just pressed the down key. The down, I didn't even read that. I already set it up. Come on, man, what you doing, man? It's connect. It's up. I know you want the Wi-Fi. Come on. Terms and agreements. Oh, I think I pressed down and I went back. So I'm gonna agree to all for the sake of the video. You should probably read that. Sign in with your Samsung account to enjoy all the smart TV services. I don't have a Samsung account. Enjoy all. I guess I should create an account. But I'm gonna go to the website that is saying I need to go to on here. So I'm gonna create a Samsung account. It's just a bunch of boring stuff, and then I'm gonna catch you guys in the next part. Yo, so apparently I had a Samsung account. So I'm gonna go to next. Register the serial number. So I'm gonna blur that part out. Now we're gonna set up voice assistant. Now I do have a Google Assistant, but I don't. She's in the bag right now. So it works with Bixby. I didn't know that was assistant. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. I'm gonna choose later. Oh, I can choose right now. All right. So this TV will back up your TV setup, the Samsung Cloud. Replace your TV. I don't really care. This is the last TV I'm breaking. I'm gonna pause this part while I put in some personal information. I'm putting my zip code to set up my TV. So okay, I guess pick up local stations. Maybe I didn't need to buy this antenna, but let's see. All right, so we're back. Put in my personal information. Discover faster way to link your app. Select your favorite services below. Then simply sign up. Phone, tablet, PC, basically like Prime Video, Hulu. We'll get to that later. Make your smart hub. Create your own smart hub view. So I think this is what it looks like right now. I think this is pretty alright. Add apps, YouTube TV. I think I have all my apps I need, so we're good. Are you ready to enjoy your smart hub? Yes, we are. Let's get into it. Dang, this is a lot. Enjoy your smartphone screen on your TV simply by tapping. Try tapping after TV setup is complete. It's only on a Samsung smartphone with Android 8.1 or installed. Wait, why am I supposed to tap? Enjoy your smartphone screen. Alright, TV symbol while tapping. Oh, that's dope. So you just tap. I had no idea. I get local TV. This is actually dope, man. How about antenna? Let's watch TV. Let's do it. My video's not in 4K, but oh gosh. And yeah, play it from here. Lately, YouTube has not been allowing you to play stuff until you like signed in. Stuff trending right now. Oh, the new command. Show kids crap like this. So I'm using the mic actually. Go to justjonmckin. Go to justjonmckin. So yeah, you gotta set up your assistant device. You just can't choose any assistant. My bad. I think Bixby is probably the built-in one. If you don't have an assistant, you can just use Bixby. But I gotta verify that. So yeah, let's just type in my name to just show something that isn't copywritten. Just joking, man. You're close to my YouTube channel. Hey, it's your boy on the TV. Dang, I like a real YouTuber. I'm not gonna lie, like maybe my video was trash. It feels so weird to see me on like a big screen. Like I'm not gonna lie. It's probably not the best video right there, but man, I feel like you're a real YouTuber. Like you see two of me. Alright, but man, we'll probably show like other things later with this TV, cool things that you know I'm gonna be doing later this video. Before this one, if you want to check it out, unboxing the Apple AirPod Pros. Man, I gotta work on my lighting. We had the intro. Yeah. Man, alright, so we got some free, copyright-free 4K video playing on it now. So I'm actually recording this with a camera that does not catch 4K, so it may not appear in this top-notch quality, but man, this looks freaking amazing. I actually really love this. Oh my gosh. It's dope. Like it honestly gets the pass for me. Like actually really beautiful. Like forget the whole room, look at the TV. But I'll just pause it right there. Go back to my home screen. That is the Samsung Crystal Ultra HD powered by Tizen Smart TV behind me. So far I'm actually really liking what I'm seeing. I feel like it's definitely going to be like a worthy purchase. Definitely an upgrade from the TCL that I currently had. It was a Roku TV. This has way more capability, even comes with local channels. So I think it was actually worth a few hundred extra bucks to get the same size, but a little bit more capabilities and power within this. But man, I'm gonna do some more videos along with this in the future. I'm actually gonna do an unboxing video. I was gonna do it tonight, but it's actually getting really late. The Mohu Leaf 50 to get some channels on here, but honestly it gets channels itself. So I think the guy at Best Buy didn't know, or he was just trying to upsell me. So we're just gonna make this into a separate video for content. But that's the TV setup, guys. Thank you so. Has a mind of its own. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below so we can do more unboxings. The channel is still getting built up, and it's greatly appreciated if you guys, again, just share interaction, share this with your friends so you can get viewership, and yeah, we can just keep things rolling. But yeah, this is my TV review. Probably gonna do a TV video later just showing what is on my smart TV. I think that's like a popular thing, saying what's on my smartphone, so what's on my smart TV. And yeah, just showing you guys everything that's going on with tech. Got some really awesome videos rolling out. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hey guys, it's just Sean McKin, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.